Hello, today we will guide you through how to import Thinkorswim Workspace. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to bring a shared Thinkorswim Workspace into your platform so you can quickly use layouts, charts, and gadgets that someone else has configured. Importing a workspace is helpful when you want to start with a proven setup instead of building everything from scratch. Begin by opening the Thinkorswim app and wait for the main platform to load. Once you're on the main screen, move your attention to the upper right corner. You'll see a menu labeled Setup. This is where Thinkorswim keeps many of its platform-level tools and preferences, including the option to import a shared workspace. Click on Setup to open the drop-down menu. From the list that appears, choose Open Shared Item. This option is specifically designed to accept a shared link, which could represent a chart, a watch list, a study set, or in many cases an entire workspace layout. Selecting it will open a small window with a field ready for your link. Now paste the workspace URL or link into the field. Make sure you're using a complete and trusted link, ideally one provided by a reliable source. If you copied it earlier, a quick paste should drop it right into place. Take a moment to double check for extra spaces or missing characters, since even a small typo can prevent the import from working. With the link in place, click Import. Thinkorswim will process the link and load the shared content. Depending on the size of the workspace and your connection, this may take a few moments. When it finishes, you should see the new layout become available in your platform, often appearing exactly as it was shared, including chart studies, timeframes, and panel arrangements. A few quick tips as you review the imported workspace. Nothing in this process deletes your existing layouts, so you can switch back to your original setup at any time. If a chart looks different from what you expected, check that the symbol and timeframe match what the creator used, as those settings can change the appearance of studies. If the import doesn't complete, verify that your internet connection is stable and that the link is valid. Trying the paste again often resolves simple formatting issues. That's it. Your shared workspace is now imported and ready to use. Explore the panels, test the studies, and make small adjustments to fit your workflow. Thanks for following along and enjoy your enhanced Thinkorswim setup.